Yes, kuba riyadiyazo doloboya. Muhle Jesu inkosi. Lenemandla lephilayo, lethembekile. Sihlobo sami, kwathi angithi nje namhla there is God in heaven. There is God in heaven. There is God in heaven. There is God in heaven who listens to our prayers. KunaNkulunkulu osezulwini loyilalela kwemikhuleko yethu. KunaNkulunkulu osezulwini lokufaka ukukhala kwethu. KunaNkulunkulu osezulwini lokhona lophila. Uyaphila, iyaphila le ukhona uNkulunkulu. There is God in heaven. There is God in heaven in everything that we face, every trouble that comes across. Let me tell you that there is God in heaven. There is God in heaven. God is watching us. God is watching us. He's watching every step of our foot. He's watching us. And He is listening to us. Everything that we say is the God that answers prayers. There is God in heaven. Don't kill yourself, because there is God in heaven that is watching you. There is God in heaven. Ukhona uNkulunkulu ophilayo. Ukhona uNkulunkulu sokhale kakhulu ufuna umsebenzi sona uthole. You have all the qualifications, but umsebenzi wasiyawufumfutha uthole. But there is God in heaven. Lo munye ukhalela abantwana, ufuna abantwana sona bathole. Una 15 years emshadweni, but abantwana sona bathole. Listen here, there is God in heaven who answers prayers. Nkosi Jesu, there is God in heaven. Listen here, lekhala koba ufuna ukuthula, ude ukuthula, kuhlala njalo kunekuqabana, kuhlala njalo kunesiphithiphithi, kuhlala njalo ude kuvana kahle. Listen here, child of God, there is God in heaven who always listens to our prayers. Everything that we ask in His name, He is faithful to respond. He is faithful to respond. Wethembekile uNkulunkulu wethu. Wethembekile uNkulunkulu. Ukhona wethembekile. Ukhona wethembekile. Kwethu kufanele simethembe, sihlale ethembeni, singasuki kuye. Sihlale kuye, singasuki kuye. Yabona, labanye balahlekelwa sibuso sabo, sebatha usithola nje sisifudane. And then lo mzalo la give up. Hayi, lento lenyenawo nje sayisebenza yisebenza. Yes, sihlobo sami, there is God in heaven who always listening to our prayers. Libhayibheli lithi Israel besegiladeke for 40 years eGibhithe, agiladekile akhala uNkulunkulu egameni lika Jesu. And then libhayibheli lithi waresponda ngaMoses. Sebagiladekile for 40 years agiladekile. And then libhayibheli lithi waresponda uNkulunkulu ngaMoses. Wathi lalela Moses, sakuvile ekhala kwabantwana bakho eGibhithe, sakubonile nekuhlupheka kwabo. So now I have come to deliver them to the hands of Egyptians. So nyalo Moses senehlile. Listen here, there is God in heaven who always listening to our cries. Akunenzaba kusohlupheka esikhathini esinganani, akunenzaba kusogcinetheka esikhathini esinganani. There is God in heaven. In the name of Jesus Christ, kunaNkulunkulu osezulwini, kunaNkulunkulu ophendulayo imikhuleko egameni lika Jesu. Lalela, ungabe uyagulelwa, ungabe uyagula usesibhedlela, ungabe uyagula bathi bodokotela, egameni lika Jesu Christ awuyoze lesifo losiphethe silapheke. Listen here, there is God in heaven who always answers our prayers. There is God in heaven. There is God in heaven. Never give up on Him. Ungalahli ithemba sihlobo sami, ungasuki kuye egameni lika Jesu, because He is watching you. ukubhekile uNkulunkulu asezulwini, ukubhekile uNkulunkulu egameni lika Jesu Kristu. Kungakho liso lakhe lihlala njalo likubukile egameni lika Jesu Kristu. KunoNkulunkulu ophendulayo egameni lika Jesu, kunoNkulunkulu ophendulayo, kunoNkulunkulu ophendulayo. Qhubeka uhlale wena position yakho, qhubeka uhlale la uNkulunkulu akubeke khona egameni lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Qhubeka uhlale because uNkulunkulu ophendulayo. There is God in heaven who answers our prayers. There is God in heaven. I know kunetinto letunkulu lotifunako, lotidzingawo, lotithandazelawo, lotifunako. Solo letino letatendeka. Listen here, God is listening to you. God is listening to you. God is listening to you. Ngisite kune bantu labalahlekela tibusiso tabo sebata utithola. Lo mzalwane simlahlekele. Sakutane naso. Simlahlekele because so give up sakupoint ukuthi uNkulunkulu amnike. I give up lo mzalwane. Isn't it? Don't give up. God is watching you. God is watching you. Egameni lika Jesu Kristu, in that business that you are doing, don't give up. Continue to press on. Egameni lika Jesu Kristu, in that work that you are doing, continue to press on. Egameni lika Jesu Kristu, in that ministry uNkulunkulu akubitele kuyo, continue to press on. God is watching you. God is watching you. Those troubles, those things that are frustrating you, they've come to promote you, to elevate you, to take you to another dimension. They've come to elevate you to the position kule position let to upgrade. God is listening to you. So don't give up because there is God in heaven